Hey, good morning everyone. So this is the Christmas New Year's edition of Scott Anderson Design. We are on the way to Mexico. So we are getting ready to head out. We are at JetBlue. We have the next week. We are off with the family and say hey everyone. On our way to Mexico. We have Mexico, Cancun, Azul Resort. Why don't we sit down somewhere? Sit one of the places in here. So, we just went through the TSA. Thankfully, we are pre-checked, so we were through there in no time. Justine found the second door for dropping bags, which took new time, so you won't have any time lapse. I'll do videos. I got the GoPro for when going in the water, going with the fishes. So keep watching. I'll give you a couple shots what the area looks like at JetBlue if you haven't seen it. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we got off the plane. We are just walking to the immigration area, so we gotta go wait in that line. We filled out the paperwork already, but we're in Mexico. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so we made it through customs, got our luggage, waiting for the taxi bus thing to come get us, and then we're heading to the hotel. So we're all standing outside. That's our lady who's waiting with us. Grandpa's over there. And we'll get on our taxi. I did some peso exchange, and I also put her and I on a timeshare thing to get us a free excursion. Because why the heck not? Hey, don't get me. Say hi.
Hi.
What you doing in there?
Stop.
What are you two doing?
Taking a bubble bath.
Yeah.
I am a horse.
You have a mustache and a beard. They're enjoying their bubble bath in the bath. Bubble bath in the bath. I guess that's the only good place to take a bubble bath in the bath. Say hi.
That's a hot tub.
What do you say? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I want to do some food. Hey everyone, so it is day 2. So we, last night was New Year's, kind of uneventful. You know, we checked in. By the time we checked in, got ourselves here, unpacked, went in the water. It was almost after 5, so had some dinner, roamed around a bit, went down to the beach area, and then went and sat in some hammocks in an area that was behind me. Oh, you can't see, it's blocked there. But some hammocks and stuff and chilled out. And then called it a night. Well, actually, no, we went back to a room. We had some room service and sat around, and we were in bed before, I think 11. Ooh, that's a burrito burp from this morning. Alright, so it is Saturday midday. We took the kids, we dropped them off with some Mexican family that gave us 100 pesos, which is a pretty good deal. So we're on the hunt for two new children, and we're exploring the beaches, which has some seaweed, and gonna see what's going on. So talk to you guys soon. looking out at the ocean through the palm trees. It's nice. It's windy as anything over here, but I don't know if that's the time of year. But yeah, so we're gonna continue roaming around, enjoying ourselves, getting some relaxation before we start a Christmas takedown. Look what we saw. One of the iguanas down here. I'm gonna name him Steve. What's up, Steve? Hi.
It doesn't jump in your face.
It's not jumping in my face. It's not like Jurassic Park. Hi. What are you doing?
ไม่มีเขาไม่ได้โซยอน I got home. I got home.
Yep. This is what 7-year-olds do. So this guy is much bigger than we saw yesterday. I don't think he likes me. Oh, he's running away. Hey, I'm not bad. All right, see ya. Nice knowing you. Go get my wife and daughter. They'll like you. Backwards.
What happened? You alright? Oh, you okay?
See if she enjoys this one. Oh boy, watch out, little boy. Oh boy.
You okay?
Much better. Everyone, so day 3 or something. Hotel, not the best. We're making our best of it. We're getting ready to go and do some adventures the next day. Getting myself a mojito at the mojito bar here. But yeah, you cannot see me well. But if you, oh, there we go. You will better see me. So if you're still watching this, good for you, and I'll give you a special prize. I hope you're enjoying yourself. Oh, much better. I just got a taste of life.
Here is Madison complaining about being in the ocean as usual. But here's Happy Girl. Say hi.
Oh my God, she's got it the wrong direction. How am I supposed to put that up?
Hey Maddie, what's wrong? Maddie won't come in. She's afraid that something might eat her. Lily, what do you think? Having fun, Lily? Lily. Lily. Hey Lily, say hi.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that.
It tastes as good as the food that we're offering us.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Lily, Maddie, say hi.
Welcome to Punta Cana.
No, Mexico.
Oh, Mexico.
Cancun. Look at, this is not our hotel. We walked over. This is a different one. They have a waterside. It's okay. And there's a pretty cool house over there. And here's the pretty Caribbean Ocean.
I just bought that. We just came right in.
No, Daddy's lying.
Maddie. Grandpa's back over there sleeping. He's doing a lot of that after he takes his walks down the beach and then comes and like cooks himself in the sun for a bit. Let's go take a picture. Cool little hut just projecting into the ocean. It's not really deep. Be a fun place to just relax with a hammock, but they don't have one out there. Oh, Grandpa's got something for you guys.
Remember about the big one? Take it in the room. You can get down closer.
Big one.
Nope.
It's going in there.
No, it got away.
He's gonna get it.
Did it roll off?
The roll in there.
How many do you have left? How about you break them in half?
You have one back? Just put it in the middle. There you go.
No, we're breaking it apart. See, we have another.
Get down close. You can get down close.
Hey,
Hi.
I need to wait for that one to go.
He knows you, Lily, because you've given him breaks before. See how the big one pushes the little one away?
He's watching himself switch up. Tequila, and he's videotaping himself.
Finish with a mojito. Cheers.
Ready? One rabbit. It's alive rabbit. You like to see the rabbit? It's moving now, okay? Ready? Okay. Uno. Dos. Tres. Vale, ¿qué?
That's cool.
Like it?
That's cool. That was cool.
So we are heading down a ramp, taking the boat that's going to take us over to Cozy Mill so we can go snorkeling on the reefs. That's one of our adventures we have. We're doing while we're here, and I will keep you updated. So that's what it looks like behind me. Long line of people. Let's see how this goes.